Haka arpun nyaw terik ulabayar arja arpun Briew Menteri Rangba ke jela ukonrat kes sangma ula lej banyadon lang haka jingelang Pynhap Pyrda no ya ke College Week arja arpun Briew bat kumju ya ke jingrakia dap Henry Post nam ke Synod College ya ke balapen long hamadan student jayau. Habakran kumukong sanda ke baai jingero ya ke tega slam buli ula ong baka college kala kiu na kapor sekapor bat sandur ya ki samla dagi jingikai Kristan ki baklan ki bala seng nongrim ya ke jinglong nong song snong ke baai jingmentoy ya ke imlang salang. Ula pentip baka sarkar jela ka baitingka kambon haka puli puti kata khat arspa klur tingka haka sisnam ban kersan ya ki jaka ajing hikai lingba ki ad hoc lani ki deficit grant. Shushu ula ong ba palat sispa arpo klur tingka la pelut sisnam haka ban siu ya ketulap syaki no hikai hapo ka deficit grant system. Menteri Rangba ula ong ba 100% na ki nong song snong ki dei ki samla ki bahapo arpo snam karta barah keju kapor Ukraine sepang kejing sneu komu drugs bat kejing kiu ki ba em bat uknyang HIV bat kumta ula kentu ya ki khon samla ban long adekar. Shu ula kran ru ya ke benta jing haka yokam yok jam bat kentu ya ki khon samla ban long ki nong sengkam bat ula ong ru baka puli puthi ka don kam kumbalong ke Jingjop Henry ka don kam ru ban long Briew ne ka Briew ki babha ki bas ngoret ki bas bon bat beting buram yo blai bat ki baburam ru ya ki bala he lasan. Kakong ji lingdo ka principal haka jing ajing kran kala ay ka khana jing ya lenti ka college ka bala sedang house nam khat khandai spa an rupusan tang da sau pulai ngot ki khna. Hakane ka program Menteri Rangba ka principal but vice principal lamu president ka governing body jong ka college kila plat ru ya ka college souvenir kum ka benta jing rakhia haka jing dap Henry Post nam Nalor ki wiki pat ki program ki badai na ka college week.
In the last 60 years, where this college has grown from strength to strength, has touched thousands of lives, has shaped the values as set by our principal, Christian values which have been instilled in thousands of the youths who have passed out from this college and become responsible citizens, contributing immensely to our state and to our society. But this is how Synod College today has contributed to shaping our society, to shaping our state, and having impact far beyond just simple academics. I'm truly honored to be here today amongst all of you. 10 years back, I remember coming here and being part of the Golden Jubilee celebration also. As you all know, my and my family's relationship, partnership, friendship with Synod College has been not just for years, but for decades and for generations. And therefore, Synod College holds a very special place in my heart because of the kind of relationship we have had. And therefore, this particular moment is a very, very emotional and a very, very happy moment for me to be part of this Golden Jubilee celebration. And I thank Madam Principal and all the organizing committee members for having invited me here to be part of this program. Friends, we have always believed that the greatest investment that we can make as a society and as a government is investment in human capital. Education is the way forward in which we can change our society, transform our people, and take our state forward. Yes, there are challenges, and yes, it is a long process, but I'm happy to inform you that as a state, as a society, and as a government, we are in the right direction of taking the education sector to the next level. Today, HIV has become a big problem in our state. And this is something that is preventable. But our youth must take responsibility and act responsibly if we have to control the spread of HIV. Today, Meghalaya faces a challenge of having one of the highest HIV growth rates in the country. Our student organizations will take up this challenge in a positive way to ensure that we come together to fight both the menace of drugs and also to fight the spread of HIV/AIDS.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka Jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.